Hello friends, myself Dr. Zainab. Today I am going to talk about the product which is related to a very precious things we have, that is our children's. We parents want our children's to be healthy always. So all parents agree with me that how fussy eaters children's are. Because of the tight schedule and competitive life, the children have lots of pressure. They don't concentrate on food. Morning they get up late, they rush to school, so they don't have their breakfast properly. In the afternoon they don't eat their lunch box and bring as it is. And the parents on the other hand worries how to make them eat healthy food. Friends, but the children are in favor of eating all the stuffs like chocolates, biscuit, pasta, pizza, burgers and all fried items. And we as a parent want them to have milk, nuts, veggies and fruits. And this conflict goes on and on and on. So what is the solution for this? I can give a solution for this. I can tell that Modicare has bought up a very good healthy drink that is well, strong and smart. Friends, it contains 37 vital nutrients. Like if we want to have 37 vital nutrients, we have to have all colored and all types of varieties of fruits and vegetables, which is not possible for the children to have in one go. So all these 37 vital nutrients are being added up in this healthy drink. As per WHO, World Health Organization, there is a scoring for the protein that is called as PDCAS. PDCAS is nothing but protein digestibility corrected amino acid score, that is 1.0. The one score, it is to be called as the highest quality of protein. And friends, please don't forget that our Modicare well, strong and smart health drink contains this one source of protein which is to be counted as highest protein. And it contains FOS, that is fructooligosaccharides. It is a type of carbohydrates which helps in digestion and also increasing appetite in children. And one more important content it has, that is DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, which is omega 3 fatty acid. It helps in the development of brain. And one more thing what I can tell is, it contains two types of proteins. It has two types of proteins, that is whey protein and white protein. Whey protein and milk protein, which helps in the maintenance and also development of the muscle tissues. Friends, more important thing I can tell is it contains colostrum. What is colostrum? Colostrum is the first milk which is secreted by a mother after her delivery. That is, when the child sucks that milk to be counted gives the full immunity for the children. And same way here, cow's colostrum is being added in this well, strong and smart health drink. Friends, in market we get many types of drinks like chocolate drinks. But anybody has seen what are the ingredients it contains? It contains high quantity of fats and sugars, and there is less quantity of protein. So do you think this high quantity of fat and sugar is good for the children's development? I would not agree for it, and I would say no. And in many products, soya protein is being added which all the children cannot digest. And in many of the products, if there is neither FOS nor DHA is being added. And as a mother and a doctor, I would never compromise this with my children's, because I would first go with the ingredients what it contains, and I would prefer the best of the drink for my children. And I have started this for my children from their age of 2, and really it has been excellent. I can see excellent results in my children, and I would like to tell my son to talk few words about this drink because he is taking every day.
Hi friends, I have Strong and Smart every day in milk, and it helps me to increase my concentration in studies, and it helps me to increase my appetite. It comes in chocolate flavor. It is very yummy. So you all up there have this yummy Strong and Smart drink. Thank you. Please share our channel and like our channel and subscribe. Thank you.
So all my friends out there, you saw my children are also taking this drink, and even adults also can have this drink, and I can tell how they should take. The child from 2 to 4 years, they should take as a 1 serving. 1 serving is equal to 2 scoops approximately, and above 4 years there should be 2 servings per day. And and thank you once again for all the supporters who has supported me in all my videos, and I would like you all to tell to please subscribe, like and share this videos to every person, so each and everyone should know about this wonderful product.